Hi guys, in my conservatory where I have lots of things hanging from the ceiling, and I just looked up and I noticed that probably needs looking at. If I just move my step so I can get a bit closer. Yeah, I think we can safely say the batteries in that one are probably not in best condition. I wonder if it actually works in that condition. No, it was worth trying. Right, well, I think we'll have a look inside. I think we know what to expect, don't we? Some batteries that are rather upset, rather unhappy with life. Probably one of those cases where I ought to be wearing gloves. Is it a screw fit? Yes, it is a screw or bayonet. Oh, well, it's only a single battery. That's quite impressive, isn't it? Doesn't actually look too bad. That's just crystalline. So they'll brush off, I should think. Yeah, I think that one's had it. I suppose we need the glitter ball on there at the moment. Yeah, I think that was just visually more interesting. It's not one of those ones that's leaked corrosive acid or anything like that. It's dry crystals. I very much doubt whether I've got any other batteries like that. It's not one of those ones you use very often. I'll go and have a look. Right, I don't have any of the right size batteries. And if I just try it with a single AA, I would expect to see some sort of movement, but I'm getting nothing at all. We just go on there, go on there. Go on there. Go on there, nothing happening. We have got it in the on position. But absolutely nothing with a single AA. If we measure, now we have got 6 ohms, so I'm guessing it can see the motor, but the motor isn't turning. I'm sure I did a tear down on this before. Yeah, it looks like it may have soaked down and crystalline around the battery. So it may be the brushes are dirty. I'll give it a spray with my electrical cleaning fluid, see if that'll make any difference. Oh, that's jammed solid. So obviously when I was turning there, it was slipping on the rubber band drive. Well, as I say, I'll go and give that a spray anyway. See if we can free it up. Good soak with WD-40 and also some contact cleaner. And you won't be able to see it going, but it is now spinning. So we'll put it back together. Yes, obviously the crystals had got in there and clogged it all up, but now it is spinning freely. Yeah, I've got this contact cleaner spray that I've got, and also WD-40, and that's freed it up nicely. I had to gently work on it, and then eventually it came free, and now it's completely free. I'll clean that up a little bit as well. To help me align it, I've pushed that bit of wire up there into the screw hole, so now I can bring it down and know that they're in alignment. Yep, that's in the right place. That's in the right place. So, can we get it running off a AA battery? Click on there. Switch it on. There we go. So, we are working, except we don't have any, what are they, size D batteries or C batteries? I have to have a think about that. What I might be able to do is have 3 or 4 AA batteries in there. I could 3D print a little holder, couldn't I? Can we get 4 in there? If I 3D print a little holder, it'll hold 4 of them together in parallel. So metal plate across the bottom to connect all the bottoms together, metal plate across the top to make contact with that. And we can just use AA batteries. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.